The Prophet ﷺ, Allah teaches us about hoarding. Islam does not allow hoarding. Do you know what's the system in Islam? Whether it be governments or it be billionaires. Muslims are supposed to invest in businesses and encourage employment. In businesses and encourage employment. So when you invest your millions into businesses and have more employment, you will need more human beings. But if you don't want to invest what you have, then you will not need human beings because they eat up the resources. And again, I don't want to talk of non-Muslim countries because they don't know the Quran. Muslims from Muslim countries. You guys go read your prime ministers and presidents of your Muslim countries. See how much they rip off the countries. How much billions they steal. They push in their pockets as opposed to pushing in the land and in the country so the people can live and benefit. Muslim names. If I quote it, a lot of you won't get angry. Say, what does he talk about? Talking about my country and my president and prime minister who ran away with all the money in Dubai and Abu Dhabi and London, etc. You know who they are. You guys know who they are? Abdul Salam? Yeah, man. You guys know who they are. Look, brother Amin Sheikh laughing. You guys know who they are. So if these Muslims do that, who got a Quran to live by, they hoard, they steal and run as the government, don't you expect the population to suffer? So they try to cut the existence of population so they could survive and be extravagant. Wallah tusrifu, Allah forbids extravagance. Hence Muslims are supposed to invest. Muslims are realistic, practical people. That's why Islam was designed to rule the world. Islam has the answer for it.